The mystery of sperm, exploring unknown factors. Hello and welcome to our video on the mystery of sperm. Sperm is a fascinating and complex part of human reproduction, but there are still many unknown factors about it that researchers are actively exploring. In this video, we'll delve into some of the lesser-known aspects of sperm that you may not have heard about before. Sperm is a tiny but powerful cell that plays a critical role in human reproduction. Produced in the male testes, sperm is responsible for fertilizing the female egg and creating a new human life. Despite its small size, sperm is a complex and fascinating cell, with unique features and functions that make it a subject of ongoing scientific research and study. In this introduction, we'll explore some of the basic characteristics of sperm, including its structure, function, and production. We'll also take a closer look at some of the factors that can affect sperm health, such as lifestyle, environment, and genetics. Whether you're interested in learning more about human reproduction or are simply curious about the workings of the human body, sperm is a fascinating and important topic to explore. What is sperm? Sperm is a reproductive cell produced by the male reproductive system that plays a crucial role in fertilization and the creation of a new human life. Sperm is a microscopic cell that is typically around 50 micrometers long, with a head, midpiece, and tail. The head contains genetic material in the form of DNA and is covered by an acrosome, which is a cap-like structure that contains enzymes necessary for the sperm to penetrate the female egg. The midpiece contains energy-producing mitochondria, which power the sperm's movement. The tail, or flagellum, propels the sperm forward towards the egg. During sexual intercourse, millions of sperm are released from the male into the female reproductive system, where they travel through the cervix, uterus, and fallopian tubes in search of a female egg. Only a small fraction of sperm will make it to the egg, and the one that successfully penetrates and fertilizes the egg will result in the creation of a zygote, which will eventually develop into a fetus. Sperm production is a continuous process that begins at puberty and continues throughout a man's life. Factors such as age, lifestyle, and environmental exposures can affect sperm production and quality, and abnormal sperm can lead to infertility and other reproductive issues. Overall, sperm is a vital and fascinating part of human reproduction that has been the subject of extensive scientific research and study. How does sperm produced? Sperm is produced through a process called spermatogenesis, which takes place in the male testes. Spermatogenesis is a continuous process that begins at puberty and continues throughout a man's life, producing millions of sperm each day. The process of spermatogenesis begins with specialized cells called spermatogonia, which are located in the testes. These cells undergo a series of cell divisions, known as meiosis, that result in the production of 4 haploid cells, each with half the number of chromosomes as the original cell. These haploid cells then develop into spermatids, which mature and develop into fully formed sperm cells. The process of spermatogenesis is regulated by hormones, including follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, and luteinizing hormone, LH, which are produced by the pituitary gland in the brain. FSH and LH stimulate the testes to produce testosterone, which is necessary for sperm production. Overall, sperm production is a complex and highly regulated process that requires the interaction of multiple hormones and cell types. Factors such as age, genetics, lifestyle, and environmental exposures can affect sperm production and quality, and can impact male fertility and reproductive health. Several factors can affect sperm quality, including age. As men age, their sperm quality and quantity may decrease. This is because the cells that produce sperm may accumulate genetic mutations over time, leading to abnormalities in the sperm. Lifestyle factors. Certain lifestyle factors, such as smoking, alcohol consumption, drug use, and a poor diet, can negatively affect sperm quality. These factors can cause oxidative stress and inflammation, which can damage the DNA in sperm and reduce its quality. Environmental exposures. Exposure to environmental toxins, such as pesticides, heavy metals, and chemicals, can also affect sperm quality. These toxins can damage the DNA in sperm, leading to abnormalities that can impact male fertility. Medical conditions. Certain medical conditions, such as infections, hormonal imbalances, and genetic disorders, can affect sperm quality. For example, conditions that affect the testes, such as varicocele or infections, can interfere with sperm production and quality. Medications. Some medications, such as chemotherapy drugs and certain antibiotics, can impact sperm production and quality. Heat exposure. High temperatures, such as those experienced in saunas or hot tubs, can temporarily reduce sperm production and quality. Stress. Chronic stress can impact hormone levels and contribute to oxidative stress and inflammation, which can negatively affect sperm quality. Many factors can impact sperm quality, and it's important for men to take steps to maintain their reproductive health, such as through healthy lifestyle choices and regular medical checkups. Funny factors about sperm. While the topic of sperm is usually treated with scientific and medical seriousness, there are also some humorous and light-hearted aspects of sperm that you may find amusing. Here are a few funny facts about sperm. Sperm are speedy swimmers. While human sperm cells are incredibly tiny, they are also incredibly fast. Sperm can swim at a speed of up to 4 millimeters per minute, which is the equivalent of 4 times their body length per second. If humans could swim as fast as sperm, we would be able to swim the length of an Olympic-sized pool in just 1 second. Sperm are not picky eaters. The human body produces millions of sperm cells each day, but only one of these cells will fertilize an egg. However, sperm are not picky eaters and will try to penetrate and fertilize any available egg, including those of other species. For example, a human sperm cell has been known to try to penetrate an egg from a hamster. Sperm can affect mood. Sperm contains a hormone called oxytocin, which is known as the love hormone and is associated with feelings of bonding and affection. This means that engaging in sexual activity and ejaculating can actually have a positive effect on a person's mood. Sperm can survive outside the body. While sperm are most commonly found in the male reproductive system and the female reproductive tract, they can also survive outside the body for a short period of time. Sperm can survive in a warm and moist environment, such as a bathtub or swimming pool, for up to a few minutes. These funny facts about sperm highlight the fascinating and sometimes amusing aspects of this tiny but powerful cell. While sperm is an important topic in human reproduction and fertility, it can also be a subject of interesting and humorous discussion. That's all for today's video on sperm. We've learned about what sperm is, how it's produced, and what factors can affect its quality. We've also touched on some interesting and humorous facts about sperm that you may not have known before. Sperm is an essential part of human reproduction, and it's important to understand how it works and how to maintain its quality. If you have any questions or comments about the information presented in this video, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and entertaining content. See you in the next video.